Hello, guys. I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, there have been a lot of talks, especially in this decade and from the last decade, the blockchain, right? And then lately, with the advancement of the GPT, we had the artificial intelligence talk throughout the world. The kind of people who have been talking about it, like the Elon Musk, you name the biggest of the influencers in the present era are talking about it. And to the extent that Elon Musk happened to say that this is one of the most disruptive technologies and it could even be more dangerous than the nuclear weapon. That's what he believes. The Google CEO believes that AI could be one of the most transformative thing. So you name the biggest of the personalities or the influencers, they are talking about the artificial intelligence, and probably 50% of the workforce is going to be reduced by 2050 just because of the AI. We are already seeing the effect out there in the market. At the same time, parallelly, the blockchain is growing. So there is a debate going on, the blockchain versus the AI, the crypto versus the AI. But contrary to that, rather than talking about crypto versus AI, the real narrative is the real behind the scenes thing is that it is not crypto versus AI. It is crypto and AI assisting each other. So how the crypto and the artificial intelligence is assisting each other, we must know. And that is the exact reason because this is one of the two most disruptive and most talked about technology emerging out there. And there is a convergence between two. So we need to have a talk about it. That is why I've made this video. So let me tell you, uh, just to give you a real world example. For example, we have had seen that artificial intelligence, like people with one click of your button, you can write an entire article. With one click of your button, you can produce an entire video. There have been instances of deep fake videos. There have been instances of people's fake videos emerging, fake images emerging, which is some way or the other misused by the people, right? At the same time, if let's say we use the technology of the blockchain on the crypto, what is the USP of the blockchain? That the data which is written or stored onto the uh, blockchain is tamper proof. Nobody can edit the data. This is what the blockchain is all about. The moment it's written onto the blockchain, it is securely non tamperable. Having said that, just imagine when a huge database of original piece of content is out there available onto the blockchain, and then when the AI is used for the mass production, then the misuse of the AI where the fake content is being promoted, produced, distributed can be filtered out by matching it onto the blockchain, like the real content of the blockchain, which is stored onto the ledger. This is just one brief use case talking about the usage of the blockchain and the artificial intelligence going hand in hand across the world. But this is just one of the scenario. Let me just talk about the another scenario. This is what is further believed that blockchain and AI are set to transform the financial market. Now, how is it that? What is the day-to-day thing that is dealt into the financial market? Like, for example, personally, I do not believe into the loans and those money on the interests. Have never. I mean, I do not endorse that. Uh, I do not even support it, but this is the reality. Throughout the world, there is a system of banking, loans, interest, right? We know it. The businesses across the world run on the basis of that. The individuals run on the basis of this, that EMI and all these things. Do we know how much effort is required for those clarification, those verification, the human intervention, right? When we will be using the blockchain is like the set of personal information of the people which can only be accessed by the people themselves and the entity which they allow to access. This can be very much controlled onto the blockchain. So the entire data of the people will be there onto the blockchain, but then this can be used to actually do the determination which person, which their financial history is eligible to gain probably gain access to the certain financial access, certain financial privilege or not. But then the human beings would be involved while trying to analyze that data, right? That is when the artificial intelligence come into picture. You do not include human being with that. You rather place artificial intelligence to actually go and analyze the financial data of the people stored onto the blockchain, which is tamper proof. And then based on that, the decision is made on a daily basis. Like we are talking millions of such decisions are made when we are talking about the loans, the financial services and stuff across the world. With the introduction of the blockchain and the AI, this entire industry can be transformed to another level. Like the human beings happen to adopt to the things which eases the things in the future. And this is what is easing one of the biggest pain points, one of the biggest resources that is being utilized into like the financial markets. Now, having said that, there are further ways of overlapping, like where artificial intelligence and crypto is actually helping each other. So, I mean, we need to understand how it is working, and then obviously align ourselves that when this mass growth is going to happen in the future, we need to be aligning ourselves with the whales, with the smart money, so that our investment can grow at the same time. But obviously, it is not just to take for the word of mouth. Somebody saying we are Web3, we are AI, we are blockchain, right? We need to be scrutinizing everything else, not just for the word of it, but definitely the industry out here is going to transform everything. So let us try to see further how both of them are going to assist. As you can see, AI will make the Web3 projects more productive, more efficient. I've already said artificial intelligence is going to replace that human work. Like earlier, just imagine with an article was being produced by, obviously you needed to apply a certain set of your brain, your creativity, and the amount of time it will take to publish that article. The same thing is instantly done with the use of AI. So with the Web3 projects, with the introduction of AI, definitely it is going to be more productive, more efficient. Then we have the blockchain. As you can see, blockchain could bring decentralized values, governance, and quadrails to AI. I've already said the decentralized values and like independent data would be stored onto the blockchain, which is tamper proof. So the decisions that is made out there or the processing that happens will be unbiased, and at the same time, the artificial intelligence is going to make the process faster. So these two are like we have already discussed to some extent the usage of that. And then AI will upend the crypto trading. Obviously, crypto trading, one of the like the traders across the world are actually very active in this crypto trading or any other form of trading. The artificial intelligence, like some of the traders work on a certain principles, like if this happens then I'll do this happens then I'll do this. The artificial intelligence can be trained to actually do that process for the humans. Sometimes, like obviously some decisions have to be made dynamically, but the other decisions they happen to make just based on the charts, just based on the trend. So artificial intelligence can be trained based on that. Blockchain could save us from AI's ocean of misinformation. I've already said there are so many deep fake videos, so many uh, morphed images out there misused by the people. People still trying to see how they can misuse the respective thing utilizing the AI. That's when further the blockchain will be able to help people filter out such information by doing the right match, right? So another AI will be able to nullify which is the right information produced and which is the wrong information. Now, AI could make crypto compliance and auditing easier. Obviously, so many projects out there in the crypto, so many bad practices, so many bad actors out there. The compliance is mandatory, but then again, there is a limit to how much compliance, how much scrutiny can be done. With the AI, there would not be any limit because the process will be much faster, much efficient. Like can make life easier for the crypto hackers and scammers. See, I personally believe the AI, yes, it might like the crypto hackers might be able to use that AI technology to improve their hacking chances, but at the same time, because there are bigger players involved who are out there to stop these people, so they can use artificial intelligence to actually detect certain patterns, and automatically patterns can be detected and the scammers can be identified before they actually do scam other people. Like the metaverse, definitely artificial intelligence is going to be used. And then the environmental impact, this is a concern basically, and crypto could be used by the AI agents. So all in all, guys, like there is a big overlap between these two. What was the purpose of making this video is first of all to make the audience aware of the cryptocurrencies and the artificial intelligence overlap, how they are both being utilized at the same time. We need to keep our eyes open till the next bull run or next to next bull run. Like any technology which is mass adopted by the users, by the people, actually has its value grown exponentially. And that is where we can align our investment so that our investment grows exponentially as well. Now, having said that, all these things align. Like obviously, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure you hit the subscribe button. We together are going to make a lot of tremendous amount of money in the next coming bull run. This is a crypto specific channel for all the people who are enthusiastic about the cryptocurrency, want to know the best of the crypto world, the coins. Together, we are going to do by the next bull run, make that massive amount of money. So all in all, this is the crypto and the artificial intelligence. As we can see, huge amount of correlation between the two, huge amount of opportunity. This is the depths of the bear market going on right now. The coming time is going to be really exciting. So I'll see all of you guys in the next video. I hope you like this one. Smash the like button, comment down below. What do you feel about the cryptocurrency and the AI, how they are correlated? What do you feel about their future? See you guys in the next